what up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be another review on a cheap clipper that I got on Amazon. It's I believe it's Kemi trimmer. It's going to be one of the two clippers machines I'll be giving away on my giveaway. So if you're not already, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bells, and give this video a like. And then to let you guys know, I already did open it, so here's a little manual for it. Little guards, plastic guards. That's the only thing I haven't messed with is the guards. And anything else, I've charged it once. This is the charger it comes with. Not sure what's the rest of these right here, but I think it's like if you're in a different country, different connection port, you could always use these right here. And then this is the trimmer itself. Like I said, it looks like a cordless, wall cordless detailer, LIs. Looks exactly the same. %. So I did use this once for a haircut. I haven't used it since then, just because I haven't really been able to cut hair. That's the only reason. It has a nice silver on the front. There's no beep or anything. You change your speed, 60, 55. Goes up to 70. Here's a charger, so you can use either a USB or you can just connect it straight to the cord right here that comes with, so you can just have it in the wall. Alright, like I said, this so yeah, silver. Here's your button to start it up. Your power. Right there. It's a nice little T-blade. See my arms. I'm using it. I have a video. It's just a quick video of a little zero guideline that I did with it. Yeah, but this is the ones I'm gonna give away, guys. These and those other clippers I did a review on, those are also gonna be in the giveaway. So stay tuned for that. This ain't bad, ain't too bad. Alright, so like I said a little while ago, they're not bad trimmers for being Amazon trimmers. Get them for like 30 bucks. They balled out pretty good. Maybe with some zero gapping or some sharpening on the blade, they'll be hitters. You know, so I'm never going to disrespect any cheap clippers, because it's not the trimmer or the clipper, it's the person that uses the tool. So with that being said, this is going to be, like I said, one of the machines I'll be giving away in my giveaway. So for more info on that, make sure to be following me on Instagram, and also subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Turn on post notification bells to be notified whenever I do post more videos. I'll hopefully be dropping more content soon. And yeah, thanks for watching the video, guys. Like I said, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching.